Are you using AI every day, but still wrestling with clunky drafts, off-brand tone, and prompts that work once and fail the next time? If that sounds familiar, you are exactly who I made this for. I am going to show you a simple way to turn ChatGPT into a reliable engine for your business, so you publish faster, sound consistently professional, and stop starting from scratch. The solution is a compact, practical video course called Mastering ChatGPT, available now at www.dpkey.net. Let's be honest about the problem. You open a blank page and try 3 different prompts. One is generic, one is stiff, and one is almost there, but still needs heavy editing. Research takes too long, outlines keep changing, and customer emails pile up because you are rewriting the same answers again and again. Without a repeatable method, AI is a clever assistant that constantly needs supervision. What you need is a system you can trust, a structure that gives you strong drafts in your voice on demand. Mastering ChatGPT was built for busy founders, freelancers, marketers, coaches, educators, agencies, and small teams who want dependable output without increasing headcount. There is no fluff. Each lesson is short, clear, and immediately usable. As you watch, you implement. Inside you will get a prompt-building blueprint, so your instructions are crystal clear. A brand voice transformer that makes drafts sound like you or your client. Content assembly lines for blogs, product pages, ads, emails, social posts, and landing pages. A research outline draft method that keeps you out of rabbit holes. And a 60-second quality check to fix tone, clarity, and facts before you publish. You watch, you copy, you deploy. Here is how this looks in practice. Need a week of social content? Drop your topic into the template and generate posts, captions, and calls to action that match your voice. Writing a sales email? Follow the persuasion pattern that moves from hook to benefit to proof to action without sounding pushy. Creating a product listing? Use the conversion framework that blends features, outcomes, and search intent naturally. Handling customer support? Standardize replies with friendly on-brand language that saves time while protecting satisfaction. Everything is designed to compress your time to first draft and raise the quality of your final version. Before the course, your day starts with a blinking cursor, scattered notes, and 5 rewrites that still do not feel right. Your tone shifts from post to post. Research spirals, deadlines slip, and you feel like you are always fixing AI rather than leveraging it. After mastering ChatGPT, you open a proven template, fill a few blanks, and get a strong first draft in minutes. Your voice is consistent across posts, pages, and emails. Research becomes a focused path. Topic, outline, draft, done. Customer replies are fast, warm, and accurate. Most importantly, you finally operate with a repeatable system that compounds your output week after week. You might wonder if this is complicated. It is not. If you can copy and paste, you can use it. Will it fit your niche? Yes. The prompts are modular. You swap in your product, audience, and tone. The framework does the heavy lifting. What if tools change? The methods are outcome-focused and tool-agnostic, so they continue to work as features evolve. And because each lesson is bite-sized, you do not need a long weekend to finally learn AI. You can implement a workflow the same day you enroll. Think about the time you get back when a blog draft takes minutes instead of hours, when product pages read crisp and persuasive, when emails and captions are ready to publish without endless edits. That reclaimed time turns into campaigns launched, offers tested, clients served, and revenue activities you have been postponing. This is the compounding effect of a reliable workflow. Less friction, more momentum, and clearer focus on the projects that move the needle. Inside Mastering ChatGPT, you also learn how to tune outputs to your brand voice without endless rework. You will capture style once, then apply it to ads, long-form posts, and service replies. You will build a personal library of prompts and mini templates you can reuse for future launches and client projects. The goal is not only speed, it is repeatable quality, so your marketing and operations stop depending on motivation and start running on process. If you have tried random tips and still feel stuck, this is your turning point. Mastering ChatGPT replaces scattered tricks with a complete, lightweight system. Clear inputs, predictable drafts, fast quality checks, and smooth publishing. The result is more consistent content, stronger messaging, and a calmer workflow that you can maintain even on busy weeks. Right now, Mastering ChatGPT is available with a special launch price. It is a limited release, and the price will increase. If you have been meaning to systemize your content production and customer communications, This is the smartest moment to act. Secure your access at www.dpkey.net and start your first workflow today. Picture your next few days. You open the dashboard, choose the content assembly line, and generate a week of posts in a single sitting. You adapt a sales email in your brand voice, run a quick quality check, and schedule it. You answer customer questions using polished templates that feel personal, not robotic. The stress drops, output rises, your publishing rhythm becomes predictable and scalable. That is the transformation mastering ChatGPT is built to deliver. If you are ready to replace guesswork with a system, visit www.dpkey.net, grab Mastering ChatGPT, copy your first template, and experience what it is like when AI becomes your most dependable